So it's now the 23rd of May, it's hair test day. Now before I go on about this, I'm going to just rewind back on to the 21st of May when our calf first got sick and what meds I used. So I'm going to stop here now and show you that. Okay, so I'm back from the vets and what I've been given is an antibiotic for oral administration, an injection that's deep, anti-inflammatory I suppose, and under the skin. I don't know what that's for. And I've been given any amount of these actually. Full recovery in 24 hours with only 2 sachets, so they gave me 4. Anyhow, so I have one of them made up already in the bottle now. I don't know, it's 1 for 2 litres, I don't know how that's going to work. So my calf is in here somewhere. The cow is roaring, so the calf never came back. I have to go looking, so I will be back in a sec. Okay, so we have our calf, and I'm taking a chance here by recording this because he could get up and be gone in a heartbeat. But she looks a bit brighter, to be honest with you, already. Now I can't record this and administer this stuff, so I'm going to try and bottle her this electrolyte mix and give her injections and see how we get on. Okay, lucky enough now I got about 3/4 of that bottle into her. I've never seen a calf, well I have, this calf has gone downhill very, very quick. You saw in the video today, or yesterday, that that calf was buck leaping around the field 2 days ago, and now she has, she's very weak, and I put that down to too late getting the beatings. And now she has some kind of a scour. So she's not very bright in herself, and I don't have much hope that she's going to make it. If she does, I'd be very surprised. But we've given her all we can. We've given her antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, electrolytes. So now all we can do is wait and see how she gets on. I'm very satisfied though that she took the electrolytes. That was a big old bottle. She took over 1 litre of it. So I brought her back down to, she was down below here. I'm after carrying her up in the quad, and I have her standing here now. At least she's standing. So we'll keep an eye on her. So our Sunday evening still, I'm after giving them the lower end of this field here now, and our calf is lying here. Seems a little bit brighter. Now, it's only been an hour since I gave her everything, but she hasn't got any worse. She's still a bit shivery there, which tells me it's electrolytes, dehydration. I don't know. The next 24 hours will tell. If she gets any worse, she'll be gone. If she gets better, we're on the pig's back. So I think I have to give her another sachet of that stuff first thing in the morning. So she got the last one around 7. So we're after 8 now. 7 o'clock in the morning. I'll come down, I'll do that. So they're up the way there now. They have lots of grass to be eaten. So I'm going to go away home now. So we'll chat soon. So we're now Monday the 22nd. I have my bottle of stuff to give this calf. And the initial story is that our calf is up and swishing his tail. There's almost a miraculous recovery already. Alright lady, you're as quiet as your mother. A nice, not mad warm, but warm day. It's cool when you're driving the quad up the road. But that calf is, after turning huge corner, This stuff is really good, that powder. Electrolytes are so important. So important. I'm going to try and get this other bottle into him now. So the girls have this long strip here. Her tail is clean. Look at it. Well, she's not fully recovered. She half tripped on herself there. Now I have the hair test tomorrow, so these have to go up the road this evening onto a bit of grass beside the shed and get them into the shed tomorrow morning. Get them all injected. Look at that, he's definitely on the mend. But I'm going to give her this bottle now and I'll be back. Now, she took that a lot better today. She's not sucking the bottle, but I'm squirting it into her mouth and she's licking away and drinking and drinking and drinking and drinking. Now, she did leave that small little drop at the end of it, which is probably just the size of the tit left behind. But she got up straight away then afterwards. I definitely think she's stronger today anyhow. But she's improving as fast as she went down. From up buck lepping to not wanting to get up at all. Look at this. God almighty. Well, we have 2 more sachets. I think we're not through it yet. But she would be gone now already this morning if we hadn't have intervened with these electrolytes. Definitely. They get dehydrated so quick. There could be a touch of that rotavirus that other calf had. That boy that's there sucking that cow now. The red calf and the black and white, or the black whited. That's a bad scour she has. Well, look, I have 2 more sachets of this stuff. It seems to be keeping her going. She's definitely not as bad looking today. So the cattle are happy enough for today, for now. I gave them, obviously, as I said yesterday, this full length here. And we'll get them moving this evening. Could be tricky enough now with this lady. What's wrong, girl? Come on. That's only a bottle, you're not having it. Go on, get up. You were the cause of this, lady. I'm not blaming you now, but if you had stood still at the start, we mightn't just be in as bad a predicament. But no, she still has full on scour, as we saw there. Pure Ishka. So we'll keep at her anyhow. The rest of them are doing well though. They're all nice and relaxed. So I leave it at that for now. So our calf is after walking away now and she's lying in the tall grass there now under the wire. So she has a bit of peace in there now. The rest of the cattle can't be at her. So here's mother here. Belty Bjog, who was a bit of a nuisance. But a great mother now. Her teats aren't super full this morning, so the calf has been sucking also. I'm very pleased that he or she took that bottle of electrolytes. Now you're meant to mix it with 2 litres of water, but 2 litres of water is a lot for that small calf, so I put the full sachet in just over a litre and got it down into her. So I think the electrolytes obviously is as important as the fluids, but to get the minerals into her, I think is as important, if not more important. So we got it over a litre and all the full sachet is basically what I'm saying. Right, okay, so mother, you have to suffer on here another while. You can stand guard. I'm going to go back home now and we'll do our moving this evening. that is the situation on the 22nd of May. The year is going so fast. I can't. There's the phone now. Right, I'll be back. Here's the thing I'm noticing with the natural weaning and not separating the heifers from the mothers. You can see how the little family units are starting to form and bond. There's mother, obviously, and then full sisters, 2 full sisters. And they're little units. The older sisters almost mother the calves too. I've noticed it here as well. There's the black whitehead and our red calf, and then that's our heifer from the year before, standing close to her as well. So that's another family unit. I like that. Look at that now. That's just very kind of something very natural about that. Amazing, really. 2 full sisters and a mother. That's a lovely sight. Here's another thing now you might find humorous. That white cow there now, she is what I call, that's Davy's heifer. That's her name. My friend Davy from Kerry brought her up from me. So I bought her as an in-calf heifer a few years back. She likes to get up like a pony. She sits there on her arse for about 5 minutes. And then she throws her backside up. But so if you've noticed her over the years, or through the videos, hang on a sec. Oh. No, it didn't come. Oh Lord, God help us. There we go. She'll fire a big shite out when she's going to get up. And then she'll be lying in it. But that lady gets up like a pony. I thought you might find that funny. Sorry for the sneeze. But yeah. I'll be back. There's our calf there now, looking nice and, I was going to say manly, but that's a heifer. That's Belle. That's her name, yeah, she's Belle. I'm trying to remember there now. Belle is turning out a lovely stand of a heifer. So there you go. I wonder will she get up like a pony, like her mother. She always does that. So, let me just look. That's why she's a dirty arse always. It's not because she's runny. It's just she's queer not. Come on. Here, you're all right. Go on ahead. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The one in the boot. Come on. You are right, Chance. You are. Quiet. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, Maverick. Come on! So far so good. I can't get them counted. There's nothing behind me anyhow. Come on, Maverick, move on. We're coming onto some lovely grass now. It's slightly mature, but there's a lovely, lovely leafy green to it. Back in a sec. Come on. Come on. Come on, Maverick, up. Come on. Yeah, we know. Go on, get up. I have her here. Jesus Christ. Go on, get in. Come on, I have her. Come on. Go on, get in. We have her, it's grand. What are you thinking of her now then? Do you know I have her? Come on. Now, just here. In on the left. About to get this calf. Now this field I haven't been in now since January, and one of the most popular videos I made actually was a video I made about how I had made a disaster. I left them in here in the middle of a real heavy rain and they ploughed it up and it wasn't a nice sight. And what I did was actually, funny enough, was I left a peg right in the middle of the field and the worst of it, so I could come back and see what it looks like after it was rested. So there is our post. I'm actually coming down for now because I'm short a post. So here we go. So this is how well it recovered. Not a bother in the world. Serious grass. So this has been rested. Hang on, have you up in a minute? Now, I have an anxious man looking for me to move my quad. I better go out. So this is what it looks like now since January, February, March, April, May. 4 months rest. Perfect. Now in the bulls, a bullock and a heifer home for the test. Night before. All going well, thank God. So yeah, that's the carry on up to this point. So I brought the cows up here yesterday and it's now 9:30 in the morning. I have to go in and check my calf. I haven't even seen my calf yet today. Now I have a bottle of stuff for her here. More electrolytes. I checked her last night and she was in good enough form and she was sucking the cow but still has that diarrhea. So I've not seen her yet. So I'm a small bit anxious. Hang on to get the bottle. Okay, so here's our calf and she's still alive anyhow. And she's not lying in a pool of diarrhea. She's been sleeping. So I have my bottle here. I'm going to take this opportunity to feed her. I'll be back. Right, that's the bottle into her now. And it's fucking very severe on my back. But this is our calf. Not too bad. A little steadier on her feet. I reckon another sachet this evening now and that'll be us. With a bit of luck. So, where is she gone? She's gone off on her journey again now to lie down. She's not as lively as I would like her to be. But that's just the way it is. Sickening. It's definitely down to her not letting her suck on the first day. All I can do is keep a close eye on her. So for now, I'll say good luck and goodbye.